Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Jaden Jennings. We look ahead to Northrop Grumman's 19th Commercial Resupply Services mission launching to the International Space Station next week. This mission will include multiple scientific studies, including fire suppression, gene therapy, atmospheric monitoring, and other experiments, along with space-flown student artwork. The Cygnus cargo spacecraft is scheduled to launch from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia on Tuesday at 8:31 p.m. Eastern. Earlier this week, NASA Johnson Space Center hosted a pair of news conferences to highlight the agency's upcoming SpaceX Crew 7 mission to our orbiting laboratory. The diverse quartet on Crew 7 includes NASA astronaut Jasmine Moghbeli, European Space Agency astronaut Andreas Mogensen, Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency astronaut Satoshi Furukawa, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Konstantin Borisov. In addition to Crew 7, NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara also participated in the crew briefing and interviews. In just a month after the launch of Crew 7 from the Kennedy Space Center, O'Hara will join them on station when she launches from the Baikonur Cosmodrome. Let's dive into one of the science experiments on station this week. Changes in plants, specifically genetic changes, are now known to occur in response to the stress of the spaceflight environment. These physiological adaptations to spaceflight are only beginning to be understood. The Plant Habitat 03 investigation examines whether epigenetic adaptations in one generation of plants grown in space can transfer to the next generation. These epigenetic changes involve adding extra information to DNA rather than changing it. Results could provide insight in how to grow repeated generations of crops in space to provide food and other services on future missions and support development of strategies for adapting crops and other economically important plants for growth in marginal and reclaimed habitats on Earth. And that's Space to Ground for now. Thanks so much for watching. You can keep up with the crew currently on station by following their official astronaut social media accounts at @Astro_Woody, @Astro_Alnayati, and @Astro_Frank Rubio. We'll see you next week.